country or region on your Samsung. So quickly open up your settings. So once you open up your settings, guys, wait for it to finish uploading. So once you're done with that, go ahead and come to the search bar. Then go ahead and search for region. So most Samsung phones may not bring it up, but if yours brings it up, then go ahead and tap on region. So region is over here. Tap on it. So if you tap on it, take for example, you're in the United Kingdom. You click over here, then select United Kingdom. So if you may be in another country like Belgium, click here, okay, and then select Belgium. Once you do that, you can come and choose from a bunch or variety of countries, okay. So that's it, guys, and point note is that every country is represented in this list. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet.